In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Podia. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm that your password has been updated successfully, all without any guesswork. First, log into your Podia dashboard. This is the same place you normally manage your products, customers, and settings. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, head to Podia's site and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll be working from the dashboard view. Next, look to the sidebar. Find your account name and click it, then select Account. This takes you to your account settings area, where personal details and security preferences are managed. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the sidebar options. The Account section is where all profile and security adjustments live. Inside the Account area, look for the Security section. Here, you'll see options related to your login. Click Edit next to Password. This opens the password update form and ensures you're changing the right thing in the right place, rather than editing profile details or notifications. You'll now be asked to enter your current password, followed by your new password. Type your current password carefully, then choose a new one that's strong and unique. A good guideline is to use a longer passphrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, avoiding anything you've used elsewhere. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a strong password so you don't have to memorize it. Double-check for typos, especially if you're on a mobile device or switching between keyboard layouts. When everything looks correct, click Save. Podia will process the change and update your account. After saving, you should receive a confirmation email letting you know your password has changed. This is a security measure to keep you informed. Open your inbox and look for the message. If it doesn't appear within a couple of minutes, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it was filtered. Keep that email for your records. If you receive a change notification you didn't expect, contact Podia support right away to secure your account. That's all there is to it. You logged in, opened your account settings from the sidebar, edited the password under security, saved your changes, and confirmed it via email. Thanks for following along, and remember to keep your new password safe and unique to protect your Podia account.